right now. I have put the maize on fire here, and I okay, but they are no fire. They are no main fire. That okay. So, do you know how we call this and this? My bro, I don't know in English, but in our language we say amashiga, amashiga. When I will know it, I will tell you. But the things for me now is to eat this, my bro. You see, you see, you see. Okay, wait, I will show you when I finish too. Oh, this is the life of the countryside in Burundi. Oh, look at me. Oh, like my bro, don't laugh me, cause it's the first time I do my frog, but don't ignore this. Like and share this video, my bro. Okay, so see, I wait, my bro. Oh, my bro, don't ask me things about it or not things, but the things necessary for me right now is to eat these mice in the on the fire, man. Okay, see, the house of countryside. We are not in the town. Huh? We are not in the town, man. Oh my god. Hey, okay. We put here, huh? Because we don't want the green. Okay. So you see there, the sat, the wood for here to put here. I don't know. huh? You see the oil of palm oil, okay? And this, I don't know this, but this is a pot, a pot, a pot, huh? A pot, okay? So let's see. Can I put this? This is the life of is the life of this manage, and it's not about another manage or another house. I am showing where I am here right now, where I come to visit in the countryside, man. Okay. Oh, you see right now. In a few moment, I will show you. Okay. Oh, thanks my family, my followers, my bro. I feel okay now, right now. You won't take this moment. So happy, but I can't take serious, man, because serious is it's very good. But and for whatever I want, however your life is, you can be enjoy, cause the life is this moment. Don't wait to enjoy when we'll save man or when we save things or whatever I want. But you can be enjoy, my bro. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your life, please. You see my shoes. You see my shoes of low budget and see that different with not bad. Enjoy. So this is in order. Hey, I enjoy. Hey, my bro. Oh, oh my. Oh, there's no problem, but Okay, you see that I am when I put the air in the fire, my God, you see, is in jugu. Let's put the something on here. My bro, why do I have no barb? So I can show you. I can show you things. Okay. I think that you are happy now. Yeah. Enjoy. Smile, please. Smile. But you think that I'm no serious, but I'm serious, man. But this moment I'm enjoy. I will eat this maize, not in this house, okay? In out of house, in out, okay? I show you how I will eat these maize and the food they given. They have given me. So right now, I want that I can mix the maize and the bananas. I think that I will eat the bananas here. my, my. Me, I'm able to live in everywhere in Burundi. Here, there is something I haven't not seen. Let's show you. Is the is it uh is the I don't know in English, but in French we say piège of is it piège. Okay, so this is piège of rat. Eh, let's put it here. But I see here they are many rats. That's why they have that material. Oh, oh, my bro. Let's go to eat this.